Okay, we're recording. Endure.
We're recording right now?
We're recording. Say hi to the nice people on YouTube.
Hi, nice people. Hi to the mean people on
Dude, if
YouTube.
you're
The
watching
haters.
on YouTube,
Say hi to the haters on
you might
YouTube.
be happy.
Haters gonna hate.
Dude, if you're watching Montgomery School in Latin class on YouTube,
Yes.
people different.
I don't think they can hear you, actually. They can hear me. So hold on. Okay, so let's start. I just wanted to add one thing to our discussion about the perfect tense. So the second of the two past tenses that we learned, which in Latin we call perfectum, which we could call the completed tense. In the cartoon captions, we only saw it in the third person singular. For instance, we saw festinavit, right? We saw festinavit. We saw salutavit. We only saw it in the third person singular, but we also only, with one exception, only saw it with first conjugation verbs, and almost all of those show the perfect stem by adding a V. In other words, we're changing the stem of the verb. The stem is what we add the endings to, damn it. Can I say that on YouTube?
Yep.
Probably.
Yeah.
Am I violating YouTube's term of service?
No, you're not.
You can say it.
Okay. The stem is what we add the endings to, damn it. And for almost all first conjugation verbs and many other Latin verbs, you add a V to show the perfect tense. So amavit, festinavit, audivit, salutavit. Okay, but that's not true for all Latin verbs. And that's almost all for. So here are the conjugations. Almost all, with very few exceptions, first conjugation verbs show the completed stem by adding a V. Likewise, second conjugations, many, not all, but very many, add a U. Now, remember, to the Romans, that would have looked the same. The Romans spelled U, the U sound, with a V. So to a Roman, it would be the same letter anyway, although pronounced differently. Okay, monui. Okay, so that then we have V or U. And let's skip down to the fourth. Very many in fourth have V as well, so audivi. Okay, so V or U is a common perfect ending. As long as we're talking about V's and U's, look at this irregular one, sum esse, to be, fui, fu. Can I say that on YouTube? Fu is the stem. U, yes, it is. So, again, VU. Now here in the third conjugation, there's going to be great variety in how you form the completed stem, and how you say this, the perfectum, the simple past. There's going to be great variety. Very many of them, you add an S sound of some sort. And for this chapter, for chapter 17, that's all we have. For third conjugation verbs, some sort of S sound. Now that could be the letter S as in misit, or it could be the letter X as in duxit. Do you hear, though, that does have an S sound in it, doesn't it? Duxit. So rather than writing CS, they wrote X. They didn't write dux, D-U-C-S, they wrote D-U-X. Same thing, though. So then the end story, the short story rather, is V as in Amavi, U as in Debui, S as in Mizi, and X as in Duxi. So that's what you should be looking for this chapter. We're going to add to that, especially for third conjugation, in the ensuing chapters. But for now, that's what you're looking for, V, U, S, or X. When you see that at the end of a stem, you know it's perfect. Now, to that is going to be those endings we learned. E, isti, eat, imos, istis, ero. Okay? But for the cartoon captions, everything's third person, so we just get eat, mizit. So what does mizi? If mito miterre means to send, what does mizit mean? Mizit, he sent. Okay, so that's it. 4 minutes and 41 seconds. You didn't believe in me.
We gotta make it 5.
I did it in under 5. No, I said under 5.
Solid 5.
No,